Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making spaghetti with shrimps. Here I have shrimps that I cleaned in the brine and washed them really good. So you make sure that you take, the strip around here out when you clean them. Okay, so they're ready to cook. Okay, so I'll start with the oil. And this doesn't take long to do. I'm going to just add the garlic. And put a little lower, so you don't want the garlic to burn. Okay, now we add the wine. Smells good already. So we'll add the shrimp. And high, over the parsley. Let's say Italian parsley. And here I have the water boiling. I'll put salt in the water. Now I'm gonna add the spaghetti. Stir the pasta here. Okay, the spaghetti will take about 7-8 minutes to cook. Here comes to boil. Now I'm going to add the chili pepper. And this is optional. Okay, we like spicy, so it's just optional. If you want to put it, you put it. And they're almost done. Just take. So you don't want them overcook the shrimps. So we remove them from here. And I'll put this here. Okay, so we wait until the spaghetti cooks. Okay, I think the spaghetti are done. Okay, I'm gonna just put this back here. Now I'll add some white pepper, and this is optional. Lemon zest, and it's up to you if you want it, you can put it. They smell delicious. I'll put in here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.